Hello, dear students. How are you all? I'm your Albert sir, and I hope you all are fine. So, today I'm going to teach you our environment, and in this chapter, we will learn what is our environment. So, let's start. Our topic is our environment. So, first of all, we will learn components of environment. You know that there are many types of things like air, water, soil, plants and animals, etc., which are found around us. All these together form our environment, and each one of these is a component of our environment. Basically, there are two types of components in an environment: living and non-living. Plants and animals comprise of the living components, whereas air, water, soil, light, etc. are the non-living components. You already know that living beings are of two types, plants and animals. You must have noticed that most of the leaves are green in color, and even stems of some plants are also green. This green color is because of green pigment called chlorophyll. Because of the presence of chlorophyll, all green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Hence, they are known as autotrophs. Animals lack of chlorophyll, then how do you think they obtain their food? Many animals eat the green plants and are dependent on them for their survival. Such animals are the herbivores, for example, cow, rabbit, and deer. There is another category of animals which dependent on other animals for their food. They eat other animals. Such animals are called the carnivores. For example, wolf, lion, tiger, etc. Third type of animals are those which depend on plants as well as animals for their food. For example, man, cow, dog, etc. These are the omnivores. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores cannot manufacture their own food and are hence known as heterotrophs. Since green plants can prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll, they are called producers, and the animals which are dependent on plants for food are called consumers. Apart from food, living beings are also dependent on plants for many other things, like birds make their nest on trees. Many small insects also inhabit the trees. Small insects or even birds perform pollination in many flowers. Some seeds and fruits get stuck on to the bodies of birds and animals and are transported to different areas. This is called dispersal of seeds. In this way, all other plants and animals are dependent on each other. You are aware that one organism is eating more than one organism. So the same organism can be a part of more than one food chain. This way, many food chains can be associated to form a web or a net-like structure. Such a structure is called a food web.